Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Chapter 2, our recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment and LaundryUProposal. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Okay, now moving on question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the named Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Inland Jeweler. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download easily from your portal. Now moving on question number 2, insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then we will have to enter a function in cell B2. Moving on Excel workbook, display the current date from your system. Okay, click on cell B2, press is equal to, then today function into, then press enter. It will be show current date, and after with the column it will be show current date. Okay, now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that with cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to auto fit. With the cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to auto fit. Okay, go to the format tab and then you can select auto fit. Now moving on question number 4, go to the format and auto fit column width. Select auto fit column width. Okay, it's done now. Now moving on next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is that insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring tab should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Insert a VLOOKUP function in cell G5. Okay, click on cell G5, enter, press in is equal to, enter, and then VLOOKUP function. Enter a formula is here. B5 ring tab, and then A16 silver, and then B19 and then 2 and then false statement. Then press enter. It will be show cost here, value of cost. You can see here. Okay, fill the function from cell C5 to range C6 to C11. Next question is that question 5. Fill the function from C5 to the range C6 to C11. Okay, you can fill handle to the C11, ending cell is C11. Okay, it's done now. Now moving on next question. Okay, question 6 is apply a counting number format to the range C5 to C11. First we will select this range C5 to C11, then we will have to apply a counting number format on this range. First we will select this range, then we will apply a counting number format on this range. Okay, it's done now. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student has chosen the personalized the ring, there is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use the appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Okay, click on cell E5, press is equal to, then enter a formula, enter function if function. Okay, personalize is equal to yes. Okay, then cost, then C5 plus into C5 multiplying by C5 plus into C5 multiplying by personalized search multiplying by B21. Okay, then C5, then press enter, it will be show total values. Okay, it's done now. Fill the function from CE5 to the range E6 to 11. Next question is that question number 8 is that fill the function from cell E5 to the range E6 to 11. Okay, fill function is to F11 E11, sorry. Now moving on next question, question number 9, apply counting number format to the range E5 to E11. Okay, I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.